Hello students, welcome to the online class session of accountancy. Today in this online class session of accountancy, I will explain you the topic treatment of goodwill appearing in the books and the miscellaneous questions related to the topics which I just explained you in the previous online class sessions. That all the topics will be mixed together in order to explain the miscellaneous type of questions. Okay, right. The questions containing almost 2 or 3 topics which I explained you in the previous online class sessions. Okay. So miscellaneous topics are included in the upcoming questions. One of the question I will explain you related to the question containing the miscellaneous topics related to treatment of goodwill and the ratio. Now, accounting treatment of goodwill which is appearing in the books is the topic to be explained to you. A new topic. If the goodwill is appearing in the books, okay, appearing in the books means old goodwill is there. The value of old goodwill is written off among old partners in the old ratio. Okay, and the basic generality which is needed to be passed in this case is old partners capital account debit to goodwill. Okay, this goodwill amount is being written off among old partners in the old ratio. So whatever is the goodwill amount appearing in the books of the firm, that is written off among old partners in the old ratio. Okay, just take the screenshot of the same. Now, see question number 42 of D.K. Goyal. Just open D.K. Goyal, question number 42. This is question 42 of D.K. Goyal. I am reading out the question. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:2. This is the old ratio. Goodwill appearing in the books is 60,000 rupees. This is the old goodwill which will be written off among old partners X and Y in the ratio 3:2. Just see. Okay. Old partners X and Y to goodwill. Right? Amount is 60,000. Amount is 60,000 rupees. It will be written off in the ratio 3:2. 60,000 rupees 3:2. Just calculate 3:2 of it. 36,000. And next will be 24,000. Okay, 60,000 is divided in 3:2. Answer is 36,000 and 24,000. Okay, right. You have to calculate 60,000 into 3/5. 60,000 into 2/5. Result will be 36,000 and 24,000. Okay, this is the old goodwill which is written off among old partners in the old ratio. Now we are going to solve the cases which are asked in the question. The very first case is Jack cannot bring his share of goodwill in cash. Okay. The total goodwill of the firm is 2 lakh rupees. First of all, we need to find the Jack share in goodwill, which is known as premium for goodwill. ठीक है? Calculate 1/4 of 2 lakh rupees. That is total from goodwill. It will be 50,000. This 50,000 will be charged from the Jet's current account and credited to sacrificing partners in the sacrificing ratio. Here the sacrificing ratio will be 3:2, as only 2 information are mentioned in the question, old ratio and the new partner share, and no other information is mentioned. In such cases, old ratio is assumed as the sacrificing ratio. Okay. So Jet's current account will be debited and the sacrificing partners will be created when the new partner Jet not brought his share of goodwill in cash. 50,000 divided in sacrificing ratio 3:2. Jet X and Y will be created by the amounts 30 and 20,000. Okay. This method I already explained to you. When new partner do not bring his share of goodwill in cash, then the new partner's current account is debited and the sacrificing partner's capital accounts are created. Okay, in the previous online class session, I have already explained to you. Narration I have written, Jet's share of goodwill created to X and Y in sacrificing ratio 3:2. Now the B case is when new partner brought his share of goodwill in cash. 50,000 rupees was brought by Jet in cash. Already I explained you in such case, two journal entries are needed to be passed. First is for bringing the goodwill, that is premium for goodwill amount in cash or through check, and the second entry is the entry for division of premium for goodwill amount in the sacrificing ratio. First entry, bank account debit to premium for goodwill, 50,000, and second entry for distribution of goodwill amount among sacrificing partners. Okay, premium for goodwill account debit to X and Y capital account, 5 lakh divided in 3:2. Narration you can write yourself. Okay, the first narration will be premium for goodwill amount brought in by Jet in cash or through check. And here the second entry will be premium for goodwill amount distributed in 3:2 among X and Y. This is the second journal entry. Narration. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 42. Okay. Just go through the explanation repeatedly and you will be able to solve many of the questions related to the same topic. Okay. Just try to solve illustration 36 to 42 today. Okay. Try to solve the illustration 36 to 42. Question you might have already solved. If you are unable to solve the questions, you can ask your queries on my personal WhatsApp number. Your queries will be solved. Okay. Don't get confused. If you are getting confusions in solving the questions, better ask from me. Get your queries clear. I will solve. I will provide a helping hand in solving the questions. Okay. That's all for today. Have a nice day.